Hey everyone, I got a Tineco IFLOOR 3 here. Had it for a few years and we love the thing. And I noticed that eventually the suction stopped working so well and it wasn't sucking up as much water as it used to. And then I noticed that the main elbow tube right in the middle there actually broke in half, and so it wasn't connected at all. So I asked Tenco if I could. It wasn't under warranty, so they said to send it in for $100, and I was like, I think I can do this myself, and so that's the route I took. So I found this tube. I'll post the link in the description. I think I paid $7 for it. And it was already cut to the right length. The description in the listing said it would work on a Tineco IFLOOR 3, so it looks like it fit. I actually already put it in, as you can see, and I'm kind of taking the video a little late in the process, but I did want to show what it looks like when you open this thing up. And the screws that you need to take out. There's 12 screws and they're all on the bottom of this thing. So there should be 6 screws on each side. One there, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So if you take out all 6 on each side and then take this cover off, you'll get to what you need to. Then you just have to unscrew this black piece here, this hard plastic. So there's a screw on each side, kind of move the wires out of the way. And this tube, the existing tube, at least for me and I think everyone, it's sort of like screwed in a little bit and also glued. So you kind of have to pull it out of there, pull out the old broken one, and then putting in the new one is easy. I chose to use caulk, waterproof caulk. So I put caulk on each end and then kind of screwed it in. I'm not sure how that'll work. Screwing it in gets it pretty snug, so an adhesive isn't really holding it in. I think it's just keeping it from moving out of place. So I chose caulk, and I'm going to see how it works. Worst case is that I could take it out and redo it with some other adhesive. So I thought about using like super glue, Gorilla Glue, but then I was worried that if it didn't work, it'd be really hard to get off the Gorilla Glue. So that's why I went with caulk. So yeah, I wanted to say that you don't need to remove. There's a bunch of screws around the white part over here. I'm holding this thing up, so keeping it in place. But I would show you all these screws. But you don't actually need to remove those screws. Any other screws? You just need to remove the 12 screws on the head here. And I think that's about it. I'm gonna screw the top of the head back on and give her a test. So just wanted to capture this on video. I did want to add one thing. This took me a second to figure out, but you do need to take off this thing to get this head piece top cover off. So this has 4 screw holes. So take out those 4 screws, and then underneath there's these 4 screw holes. So you need to get to those to be able to get the head off. So that little tip there, and you do not need to take these screws out. There you go.